B.
Was it possible? RS knows. He had like no time. That's fine. I want to see what score I got for
Remember, guys, if you're called for third place, you should go through first. Anybody else is to wait until you go through. And you're going to get a medal with a white color. If you're on second place, then you got to wait for the third place to receive their medals. And you're going to get a red medal. And if you're on first place, you gotta wait until everybody else is out of the stage, and you're gonna get a blue medal. And the event Mission Possible. First place goes to Quail Valley.